Emma wu yamu she once. So uba politics mu o my Ghana. Beni ba kwa wo bube pa na bebu ba kwa ye obi ada nkrofo tan ka ho asem wo se. Oba opa afuru anyin se no okọ kete so a ensese o hye Oye member of parliament for Sagnarigu constituency.
Me man
Tiato.
Adeshe mama mama minister.
Moko honorable ABF Hussein abato ompesua so a. Na brenya chitafo na yedi awodi wo. Honorable ABF Hussein ni Tiato form. Na unim sa wo ba ye bono hayi na wo kɔ ne bunu east ya na wo twam ekɔ pru east abato ompesua so a no ye member of parliament e wo former president Mahama Braso no nana wo ye minister for power Dr. Kwabena Donko wo luzu in fact me was surprises bebre de ma join your life on Facebook and you bless your videos bebre de ma abato na ekɔ so ne de ya counting gu so kwaso wo miaye bi na baby so ma kan awema resource aba abonten no ukwa ejura abato ompesua so a aspirant ne ba kwa bra wo ba no na ehwa ye boko no gina ka pompo de ehu ya ne se wate ade bi wo de join your life on Facebook na wo spresi kasa kanin nam wiem se ya
eji ahoho ani na ehwe wi ase asomdwe Inti asemena say
if you join your life on Facebook and your videos bebre de ma surprises bebre de ma enti ye chance na nanwumre mene owura oforeje and afei owura Abdul Samad no redeem na ehia mu and ye nto nsam fra any PP ni any DC ema wo manam sifo no ema na mom befa elections NDC amanyokuo ye na afei ya hwe ne ebobo bado ensemu ekokọ so enura kakakra ma ye dia ba naimu ama yakoto aba no na nka wonim se primaries no presidential no ekeye nipa miensa former president John Dramani Mahama owura Kojobonsu ena Dr. Kwabena Dufo oba e Facebook re so a me say na ye wo videos bebre de ma ye wo ho se sie ye bra former president Mahama koto na ba wo bole abato ompesua so wesire mama ntifido na central for da Roma ye ben no ye ne opani ne twetwe nkomo odwa ne ye live on Facebook na cho wo nka busua kase no ho a no wa like ye page no wo like ye page ni wi a na wa share live video no na fe wa foforo nso anya nkomo ni bi
Akua Ghana beyo
enra wonim sa NDC amanyaku aba nei wo mato akwa awieye no na nka e wo court ya Dr. Kwabena Dufo a wo ye aspirant ni mu ba ko na de call ye afa enra no wo beti sa afa de ekwan mu ada ho a wo betumi ato aba no enne ti na nka aspirant no presidential ye miensa afa ko na nwumre so wa ne se press conference ye kotie yan Dr. Kwabena Dufo say watwe asan wanya nkogina bio say okopre mampani adwane wo NDC amanyaku adimu or withdraw from the race or we can bro for say last minute anwumrei mene mabemfo mienu behwese otwe ne ho firi akansie ne mu no ede na kire does that mean someone who open nyi anu ti ode call court no wanya ne nyi anu anaye convince no anase no no anim so obewe enti no wotwe ne ho firi akansie ne mu last minute no ana but before we move ma yen join ye ho wo Facebook abofra fa videos no ma yen kakra kra wo hono mo a ne yen hwe na me ma results kakra surprise kakra aba ni bi mini kama mabadwafo akwa aba na hunu won na afei me ma results surprises are ebobobobo ba no na wati bi owura Abdul Samad no redeem ma joe
yo me joso
me patcho na wo mpom ne te sai
alhamdulillah me hoye
ye da nyankopon wase so braje alhamdulillah me so me hoye say anu anu no anu anu maka good Mr. Braje ma joe
oh me joso me aba
patcho na wo mpom ne te sai
na me adom
ye da nyame ase ye da nyame ase
ne o ade
Asidan kwa ne de be manya good abusia odwa ne life a na enye NPP enye NDC ye hwe NDC amneku aba wo moto no these are men a wo ma follow elections e wo my Ghana mu for years enti wo de ade ne to ho a onim the background no onim ba bia free onim ba bia beduro onim onipakon no sade ne modern motie wa abato mu de obetumi aye enu nti na nwumre yi enye NPP enye NDC ti odwa ne ye live on Facebook a na wa share ma me more surprises ne kakra na yenko ye ni mu ukwa wa west nuru se ho na woto wa ba ho ana wa central na woto wa ba no woto wa east wo okay ukwa north very good wa central Dr. Rashid Pelipuo sasa de ye bono ese ne yam ye fita Pelipuo ha ne dia ye kan Pelipuo ye che ye ho Dr. Rashid Pelipuo or a member of parliament for Wa Central that's all yemu ya show kakra
oh no
good wa returning the seat no enti wo ko Wa Central ba to mpesua so a Dr. Rashid Pelipuo akonwa no wanya akwanya a obesan agina 2024 member of parliament for Kwando abato mpesua so ye Era Dela Adwa Sowa pacho walusu Kwando constituency Honorable Dela Sowa walusu na enchaye Ghana Medical Association penny ano waye won secretary Dr. Titus Bayuo wawini primaries no enti a fresh face for 2024 now mamemfa wonko Setra from Plains constituency Dr. Kwabena Dufo a ogina ya nanka opese obe contest primaries no presidential na last minute kura watwe ne ho free agro no emu no ne ba Dr. Kwabena Donko Kwabena Dufo Junior Dr. Kwabena Dufo Junior walusu ewo sechere Afram Plains constituency na uko Guan constituency constituency fufra afa na wo mo be make appearance in parliament Abrantia ba kwa wo communicate so well for the NDC Fred Agbenyo wono na wawini primaries no wo Guan constituency JJ Rollins baba Dr. Zenator Rollins wono na di nkunimu bio wo kwale klote abato mpesua ne so odwa ne live on Facebook various videos no ye de ma wo hon kakra krasa ubacho wo baso a na wa share video no na ofofro so anya nkomo ni bin now yenko yanimu na me ma surprises na eba no so kwale klote member of parliament Dr. Zenator Rollins were returning the seat no afei Wa East constituency member of parliament Ora Godfred Sedu Jasau very good who dear nodding names many problem kana sounding names so no Mr. Foreji ya boame so honorable Godfred Sedu bobio Jasau na wawini ewo Wa East constituency na unim say former Bono regional youth organizer for NDC Efo Wolanyo Chekpo Efo is winning member the hodoma be ma the update no so ilko abra asebu kwa mankese constituency an people mra hebedwani na tie adwane so orphan constituency but former deputy minister for communication Honorable Felix Kwachi Ofosu na rene ewo abra asebu kwa mankese constituency hono na ye fiercely contested so it was a contest between Honorable Felix Kwachi Ofosu and Professor Nana Makluche nti Honorable Felix Kwachi Ofosu nya 830 votes join ye live on Facebook but Sompa FM Ketu North constituency o join ye live on Facebook the Honorable Mr. Adam Agbana who said Adam Agbana na ye deputy youth organizer for NDC former deputy youth organizer make us say primary se so ewo Ketu North no wono na adi mu enkunim ewo abato mpesua ne so we say me bubo nyina menya ma presidential yes menya abotraba presidential ne so ma memra bono mantami mu kakra na de ye ne ye koyanimu nyina na ye engage ya bedwafo e wo studio ha no ye besen akwa ahoma ne so your reporters across the various constituencies now wo so update yen from the start of the primaries up until the end of the primaries, the presidential, the parliamentary results are your reporters and so the bema yen. We join you live on Facebook mpacho ya na wa share live video no na of front so to me yen komo ni bi abafra ma yen ko videos ni mu more na yen ko ye ni mu ma memra buno ne na hafo mpatemu ha kakra na fe yen ko ukọ Doma West abatom pesua so a Honorable Vincent Oponwa Samoa retain wanya akwanya bio a 2024 obekọ so no wadi akonwa no oba Sunyane West abatom pesua so wonim say ho no primaries no parliamentary enkoso because information about any say na injunction bi yesusu say maame Evelyn Akantoa na ede akoto so nti apart from injunction ne kura no na nke ho ne ye unopposed acclamation ne bekoso but presidential no ye benya results no e de amount kan ketesi ochiame nimo ye da so atwa Sunwan East de no na ya ma update no e wo me manti dwumadie so anwumre Kintampo no fabatom pesua so mra hyebedwani ye Honorable Joseph Jakala retain wono na wadi nkunim ewo abatom pesua ne so wukọ Techima no fabatom pesua so na ye popular acclamation ho no Maame Elizabeth Ofosua Jare lawyer na woye member of parliament e man nsa so de kira da sanyina se obi an contest no nti odi ne hene maame mfa wo mra ne south Techima South abato no na ye girigiri pa udwane live on Facebook we eye bra na abra sebu kwa mankesi abato mpesua so na womo eto woma banti you could see Ora Felix Kwachi Ofosu na ono so ne delegates ni bi interact nti udwane live on Facebook but some perfect your videos ni bebre abofika da romanti no obese sana ma wahunu ne e course wo ho ni nyina live wo memanti dwumadie so mpacho wo ba ye Facebook ne so na abo some perfect ma na wa share video na mayen Techima South abato mpesua so videos no for the sake of obia baby o wonti ni wonya access to data no want to me join on Facebook nti no videos ni bi wa meka ho asem kakra kiro we ye bra na former president Mahama ekoto naba e wo Bole constituency the man of the moment yes of course who follow results everybody nyina baby ni ho ani tito form he's leading and he's leading massively Techima South abato mpesua ne so no Ora Christopher Bayire 2020 general election no opani no na gina wo NDC amanyekuo din mu ema wo be kai kra bato ne kwa awieye no ekoye court nsam ema woni the incumbent member of parliament onwonyamfo Martin Ajemensa kosa kopiem wo anchi court a enche ye kra court abu asem na wie so wasaye gina bio Ora Christopher Bayire ena Dr. Awa Muhammad unim se wo Techima ya pragiafo no mo chairman sa moto nketwa na nipa miensa nan betumi atena mu no wona ye pragia chairman Dr. Awa Muhammad ena engineer yebo a wo mo na gina wo Techima South abato mpesua ne so eti 2020 parliamentary candidate no wono ana wo mu a returning no bio so Ora Christopher Bayire retain ewo Techima South constituency ma memfa nkwa hafo mantemu kakro racha asase edu unim se opani no ho wokọ Tano South abato mpesua ne so an wono na obia nim ne se oye darling boy for chairman general asiedu nkatia wato aba ayi no ewo Tano South abato mpesua ne so ewo ahafo region eningo prampram abato mpesua ne so no enene ho aye she delegates bia na wo mudin ba no na wo mo hiti enti na wo ko ningo prampram na nya easy kura go to a point kura it is alleged say the incumbent member of parliament now some people so omo delegate were hooting at him Honorable Sam George but surprisingly about 20 call na wie ye wo ningo prampram conference no join live on Facebook Sompa FM Honorable Sam George and na wonya akwanya bion as the member of parliament was a candidate for NDC 2024 general election. So Ningo Pram constituency, Honorable Sam George retained. In fact, omo di nkunim no yabo omo nyina baso. But in my own way, say Honorable Sam George Lucy and Kabaya meja. You know why? Because of Crusadia, one leading for a bill. Ye nya emra emudu emra emudo. Ebe sorry dear tia LGBTQWHY sadia ninti wo lusu yanka be hye koma eya me de so Honorable Sam George wa wini e woni go prampram abato mpesua so wuko Cape Coast North abato mpesua so an Dr. Kwame na Minta Nyaku wono na woye member of parliament wasan enya kwanya bio on the ticket of the NDC an 2024 obedi party no anim na wode won apre e wo mra hyebedwa adwa no udwa ne live on Facebook the videos niam e course wo primaries ni mu no ma won kakra sa na wa like na wa share na ofofro nso anya enkomo no bi atie so himai lower denchra bato mpasua so wokwa ora set a Japan Menson Ora Foster Joseph Ando and Ora Isaac Smith Akua and womu jina ye about 20 corner ye no set a Japan Menson and wodi munkunim ewo himai lower denchra constituency ewo central region yes central region yampem na yenko yanimu maka honorable ebiefu se ni de no e de akiro enti Honorable Andrew Derry Chiwite wono ye member of parliament for Sola Tuna Kalaba constituency e wo northern region wono asan anya kwanya no ebio na unhwe Honorable Baba Jama ohun okojina waya waso east constituency but anya yi amfa ama no baba utinye kafra swala lahi sanu Honorable Adamu Ramadan Muhammad and a member of parliament for Adenta nyabia ye nadum ama wono na wadi enkunim ewo primaries no emu enti yenko yanimu kakra na fei di aka no yemfa ma but yemra studio ha whilst we engage our guest here in the studio no ye correspondents ahodo no so be join ye via mobile phone na wo the results no ama yen kakra ne basically say any ebeye adwuma ne kopem se nondu ebebo nya abotretem chuku o wa fidie no ho fa ma ye me sha obo say ansana nondu bebo no the surprises the good news the new news the new faces the old faces almost falling nyina no ye de be ma live on Sompa. Don't forget Bongo constituency member of parliament Honorable Edward Bawa watiato waluzu Bongo constituency Honorable Edward Bawa alusu eho amembra studio Mr. Nuruddin akwa babie wo new faces are coming up right. Bongo constituency member of parliament Honorable Edward Bawa alusu afewuba Pru East Dr. Kwabena Donko alusu and the man now everybody is talking about him Honorable ABF saying so alusu. Now let's look at these surprises. Senator Mount
right, Mamindi can share on a producer or executive producer. Things Meneno share the same platform for the first time.
Yeah.
And I'm privileged and honored to be in the same platform with him. I think life on us in the city and a drew stage I am say obi etu anamo pa say okay no na obona abaso a em say ekenya no ma no etu na anamo yi and with the opportunity given me, I think that it is only worthwhile and natural. Say, me bona baso na machine in crying. Say, 1 year no na 1 year juma no.
Okay.
Na mpempenso aye nyina e bompa ye say nyame mfa no nduru no. We pay. I think it's the same scenario in a political terrain also. When you are a politician and leading a constituency, I think there are a lot of interests and expectations from Omoa Omopia Okodru Bibi Ewedru. Obian who are to an Amobia wa Brabomoa won't interest a woman. He say, or Pian Kodru Baby na ni intia ni njina so intia wo pia okoduru ho no sa wonya na chese wa twe asan wo bo ayi masaya wo bu bebebrebe I think say o ya ade and we living a mark ewo a political landscape mo so we hear politics
one of his proverbs obedience send me say me kan ya na abani tro say when a man dies in the market there's no need announcing his death.
Yes, I think say we exhibited that kind of traditional, idioms, with that of the Queen language and the young, generation. Some of the expressions I will make public, so share or no, for instance, say we be lose, so be country will say, or be lose. I think say. Yeah, the anka only independent be dear chingy baby. Because the way I would see a carry NDC all the time. I quite say na chiriba pe ena one and nam. But you see, politics now meet me a bit na aye didi I can be beer abo nipa baso and whatever. But fee the SSM ye wo fee no menya. I think say nuama be see neighbor. Exactly. But
so constituency
right. Okay. Because in America, obia na mu tu bia obia to no ewo interest. Nti ni interest na wo de to abanama no. Se hunsunsuan so no wonya no sini wo si anticipate answer na wo to abanama wo a. It means say as a human beings so ye living in nyina no na yesesen ya adwen wo ya na mu tu bi ho. Nti ebetima aba ne say obesesa na adwen and whatever and bisa na to your honorable member and I believe that we need a warning.
Okay.
Emma politicians say my take the electorates for granted.
Okay.
You understand? We are becoming sophisticated, we are becoming aware of what is going on, we are becoming aware of the privileges are surrounding or more parliamentary seat are more occupy.
Very well. Mami twa so kakra na me kwa homane sibra. Say ne yebe na nwumre kopim say no ndu ebebo. Ochia me kwasi nimo ewo mahomane so. Ochia me maju e. Ochia me maju o. Ochia me maju e.
Na ko temenka.
Mete won kapa.
Me do so ma happy Mother's Day so in advance.
Me da CP. He fan na ukoye.
Enem de mani kire mo osunyane ato emansin kroponim.
Okay. Boy enkomo e.
Yo mini aba me matiefo nyina adwom kwa banso famla me mind is adwumadi ne so. Ena da one this amanyoko no abato mo de hyehyɛ so e wo osunyane west no. Omo de hyehyɛ so osunyane west ahinkuro eye odomase. Bia from Presby eye primary school. Eho ene na abato no hyehyɛ so. Then this say Wabramo Baba Trobani Bomode Pinchen Womu Bisom say. Any part of those saying Baba Trobama Muchrim say. Any point Betrobani a Pimbako a henine any ediocono and son 1497. And I Baba Trobano it was none words a year delegate, ATM and Baba told him say a year parliamentary a year seat in the end. His son say obedient junction quacoto. Enyo bibia say ye mama and dinde eye owura yere Evelyn Akantoa at injunction to the same said the baba told us empo eye endi samanyo kompanifo e man beto just say ye nuaba Millicent eye on post no ye mama no so te no ho ase a enye yi ne sent no omo the injunction eto so a electoral commission ntimi declare say Millicent Amankwa yeboa ana Millicent yeboa Amankwa no ekọ eye unopposed nti ono de ekokoda di nti eye presidential no etumi ebas chotminka
Ochame yete wonkapa
eno nti presidential de na ebas no enipa 1497 omo ekokoto aba no emu oha ene eye aduasa eye oha mpacho apemba ako ahasa ene aduasa emiensa 1333 eye 1333 vote ana kodema yewura eye John Dramani Mahama na yewura ne din ade kodobo nsu ono nsu nyama no emu eye enso single 7 eye 7 ana onyaye na de koto odwa ne nyina ne sem emu ma kuma ku dunan na ye 14 no eye rejected rejected no ana ko edema endi samanyo kono sunya no was omode omoto ese no etina abato commission eye electoral commission no akeka ne nyina agbo no na ho akọ hia se Mahama ma onyaye 1333 votes no na o de ko ohanji chemo no dia eye 99.48%. 99.48% eye yewura John Dramani Mahama nema awonyaye ewo eyesu na ewo sanso ana kwadobo nsu yewura kwadobo nsu nso ne die awonyaye single 7 yo hanti chemu eye okunu ane na chiripo adionum emieno 0.5 eye 2%. 0.52% ana yewura kwadobo nsu enyan obi be sase na yewura before the end esa se yewura before the so ken ho frame no ntino ema ebeto da kire mu se dodo na amfoma dwena nko na nso motoi na nko mo hwesa nse ne resignation amantem bye ne nyina no na omo de kwa akoto it electoral commission bia mu se odo omo nkonkoto na yenhwe erutimi aba de beto da ne sem eye total valid eye vote no eye apem ebaako eye ahasa ene adunum n9 1354 ene timi koto aba no na momo mutum to aba no eman beto ja to say kan ya eye papa eye total eye cast no eye apem baako ahasa ene eye aduanan eye 1340 ene timi ato aba na chese ebeto ja chemi se utiti ni nyina film ni bibibia dia na yewura John Dramani Mahama no tese no de endi samanyo kono mo sunya no wasene se ono ano mo pe onyo hanche chemu ede okono enkonom achiripo aduanan enwotwe 99.48% ene yewura John Dramani Mahama menuaba otumi enyaye ewo ho
mo ochame wabo adwuma baransa na no ukọ some constituencies ana se dede ye basabasa ye bi na sunwa ne west de ne tesan
menuaba me sunwa no west de no metumi aka se ye ma wo mo se na hot say a na ye obi abeka se 100% de o de ma wo ma eyeye want to so bi atu obi want to so bi aka obi want to say bibi koso na bibi say presidential intino eye din na de ba kwa meka obi a dwene beba so ne say eye yenuaba Millicent Amankwa yebo a ono de sabi obi beka say na ne efin bia ne ho ne hu so no oba ebepiem ho na nsa kwa na oba bepiem no na owura yire eye bena kanto a ono esusu sem electoral commission and this amanyoko declare Millicent Amankwa yebo oye ono post na etia mra no odinkan ba ho no pa no eba be fam wo ho be ba o sewe no achia no sewe no ahage no ana wa bam no ewo eye police station ho eno nkonko danche no okoye no eno manie ne ba Millicent bae na on se obi a wo titafo a obi beka so du police center ho a no ma bo age ne so na wo ya bo age ne so eti o me o de reta na de toto ho a meka se nyame nim ni se Millicent bae no ono di nkan de eniane bre ahobamba adwumakuo no ene electoral commission ene wona eye wo mu si ahene no wo mu tu ahene ni bimmo enti obedru ho no nyamia no nuko na sa dodo na dom ni dinachi dom ni dinachi wo suna no wanso ho a bia ye ma mili we de ma mili ntine yen sentwerofo no yen so tete ba bia na ye hwe ne ekoso ewo ho enti eto aba ne wie no a wo mo kan no ana eye sompa ye bopin a ye ma mili sent se anya bi abato no hu ne sen na si ko na o chem se oh enam se sunya no wasa sundue kuro ane asundue bia na bibibia nkoso no woda sedam otwede amponyankopon ana no achi no eye delegate no nso a wo musi ahene ema yewura John Dramani mama di nkunim no woda basoba mo amopa etina mi pushi na se ne de na injunction so eda so no wo hu ne se na se na oka fa ho ana o se asam o court de a mo amakwen sentrofo no munim se de sitie o ka asem bebranye yi na mo nyankopon ya do na bibia toto na ko na ba beto dwade a de ombia na obekan ama eye sompatifo enso aso ate eno ti afani ewura anaso ewura yere eye akantoa ye maame Evelyn eye akantoa eba be pie mu ewo ho anopa no e de nani baba akoma hwese ne siko na mo kan aba ne wie no mo kenka bibia declare electoral commission ye bibia wie no na ye hu se cars ni bi wo ho no ma na bi mu gusu ye dede a wo mo ye achitafo edema owura yere akantoa ni nyina ne se na de dodo na hwe ne musenka eye Millicent Amankwaye bo a ye be declare no se ono ne winner e wo sua no wese no entumi amaso nti na hu se bo ne hu dede o mo de car from eye bia o mo to aba no me kire eye polling center ho e ba domasi kurum no na dede de pin ye na ya nto no ya ndikro ne ya ndikra na se eye twitafo ne bi mo de na mmom esan se asama kwatro ntimi nkan wasenti no Millicent abasama kan nyina se yen twen de court no beka ne be decide who is going to win Sunano once parliamentary seat no mini abana de course no
mo ocha me da sipi anwumre
me so me da se me ma woda pa wan esan so ochena ye ma me ne ma moda enti ade bia abaye bia ne de oye no radio nsu bia no ye de show din konkura no munyanse na me onhyiraw na onyo kese ne bentumi ma me Dickness Victoria Afiabo Atma
na bi nso to oyire Deborah
ana me kamia me chocho muncho makuma mutofe me mfempa de oba apa oba hofefo eye Deborah eye afie jamia nimo ebi nkoma no
mo wabo adwuma me da sipi absia ocha me kwasi nimo Sompa FM abofke asa shi ubi say aware nanka wo de ho si anka enchen de ashi ubi say surprises wo ho bebre ti ye konyina no ne ye de ma wo kwa setra from plains member of parliament ora Alex Adomako honorable Alex Adomako atiato ti wo kwa Krachi East abato mpesua so honorable Wisdom Gidisu watiato because I'm not reading na me wo ho anse na me kwa ahoma ne so
right now me can about the performance of parliamentarians to Omo constituents and the neglect Miribia no Omo could do parliament how Omo neglect Omo we chiri no na life on so say we study life here we say nipa from conception could do say Miria obi wura say so no unam nipa mu obi fa nipa nsam sa akowura say nti no ama say o bobere bia ya na obra no say o bono in a way at any moment bia no demu how mu yare mu or whatever at least ubenya one or two people bia omobe sori agina even at Amera untimi mpega onsa but politicians ne omo power na edu stage bi na power no wure omumu duru level bia ya na omo fele se omo de sanuemu amakan omo an kasa betimi aye omo ade without any help I think the signs of this na yes be ya omo be fele disturbed and disappointed but I think say a warning kese ema politicians say emfa ho no dibie emfa ho no dede a wo ye radio so TV so or wherever but se mmiri ni duru se ye to aba na when dikan andua pa nsunsuanso a be ba ho an se nipa besori agina na yetu afri ho right
Medase Mr. Foreji akwa ba bi ewu
me just so
results ne ba na eba dia he na surprise o
ayo
papa
and I think it's all in also no I think we have to commend INDC as a party for the way Omar conducted this election. Where initially this kind of court issues now Omutim settle on matters at the last stage. That was yesterday. Now Omutim conducted on this way. Ayanyante basabase biya any of the places are about to know at the key place now. You got some my idea. Leadership na idea pa. Now I think that Mr. Samada can't say baby, and he's not far from the truth. And it seems we are all in the same place. So this time, no elections na I was saying politicians in Suya baby. 2020 election, no how and no Chelsea saying electors no. Who say, mene Mr. Samad na wahasi, and no buy no see me person me 7 mo. So you move from parliament and I say mama me the president you teen na say more kind or share bobby the reason why opposite be parliamentarian I can say o mo kwan we kra nya ma di we nya ye ba ye bese sano en kra to school o mo timi ase na eko school ye ba ye bese sano san common bibli ye den course but mo ba ye no timu say this time no say your situation na you no there will never be any changes in the situation. But Mr. Samad Muma yetu abanama no. Onu mo ne niema asesa. Okay. They say oteka from ya mani VAT or them.
We have read Mr. Mama Simana menkwa homa ne somra. Me nua August na Japan ye body mrane se Kwajo Mframa owa homa ne so. Kwajo maajo
Ajo so me nwa
Mpacho na wo mpom ne te se anwumre yi.
Oh, na me adumboko.
Okay. Constituency be na wugina boy enkomo primaries na ko sen.
No Tano South no obichim. Oba of maintenance ya ope. The bia na ne to aba na ani wo ho no Tano South isanse. Ahanin tanan anana ayi omuti a ye betum so aba and then uyi no to nchan a obi anim se the bia ye to aba oba hafo a say presidential na say the general election na say parliamentary no ye can be a hot spot ana Tano South account bi enti ye to abano na nipa na say gina no the bia ha na district free no ya na anya asanto to abano ewie no aye parliamentary no aye Johnson na say din katia ba e friend na charge say du no woni di nkunima wonya amano ahansia aduokun awon 698 ana utimi edidi nkunim de na otono so no Dr. Maprempo no lecture ewo UNEL wono na to so mi no nya 283 ana fe opinion friend de buanyon so opinion no so accountant ewo school ne ba ko wo sunyan ho wono so enya 169 ana fe swala fakin so obi anu so kira de Islamic school ba ko and so men on sunya 109 I just to abangi no parliamentary no unimnyam for chat akwesi asibi ana etimidi nkunum ana fe presidential no so Jomama enya 1235 ana otimidi nkunum na fe kwajobo nsunya edu enan ana rejected so aduonu ebako ento ba ha ana bisi mo baye mpenifo do original chairman baye asanso na unyam for aprekulati adona France small boy danger enkane wona na ye DC otano of esi a ona kasa de ma NDC amanyuku no na somo mu kasa de ma NDC amanyuku no afumantem no wona na opanyin odo ma no ewa ha wona nso di ni manyam be he se di madini si ko na ona se do mani nyina si abre ne se 2024 na die na se be jokunya na die kwan bi o mefa so mbeboa ama NDC amanyuku na GCT no ewa Tano South na die o mu de no megu akwa so ntene mambo no nso mu yima na asumdwe akoso ene oba ha unhu Metuma bia Sansona aspirants for no said the no meaning no esi stress no utimi say obia hwese o mato abawie no omode asindie behwe na obata no south nso nkaboma ba na 2024 metina kabom na seat no motimi atinjisi ano kasa de obeli di ani zamani kuno tano south ho apre na shebeju akunya no aye onam for chas kwasi asiedu ye asiedu nkati aba ofiri domo nti ubusame a yetie no no
kwajo wadaro mama yenya presidential ni bio former president Mahama Nyasen
former president Mahama JDM enya atem ahanu abiasa enum 1235 ana onya na atem ahanu abiasa enum ana JDM enya ana kojubonsunya edu na edunan ana rejected omomoto se no so eye aduonu ebako.
Okay mo wayo nyamishira wanyumre
nanso me da ase
yenua kwadwo mframa from town south about one person so ojwane your live on Facebook earlier me ka kire wo se money crashing so na ye adwuma wo mu pa o sika ne ye spray ni wo wie mu sa no for the sake of omo baby you want to me and connect on Facebook no aspirant ne baako na ogina ka pampamu wo to sika ise ya obepemra shebedwa akonya hwe sika ne nanwie asemro no ma na etuo wow Mr. Foraje na me wo wafam ho ansa na me ko kwadwo mframa ho
said na me ka no na me ka the dynamisms na by election this time no and na me ka say no obia so hwe so to aba de na menya
but briefly no mama update yetie for say Sunyani East results my wo mu guso a wo mu county wo mu guso wo mu king county e sure say by now will be interest pa no Sunyani East ba ye no a ye reporter ba ko ho obesende amai na fe ye so ya ma wo information no but wo ko asanwase abato mbasia so a process no eso atwentwen kakra join ye live on Facebook why ye menya butu menya confusion yes wa asanwase nti ama process no atwentwen na ase kakra o join ye live on Facebook na bosom perfect man live from that Swansea constituency and na wo hwe wo Facebook ne so no Mr. Foraje yento akomone so
nti nipa ne reso no to abama wa oniama bebre so san wo abrabom you get the best in life no so to na still onya bibia dia na akoye se dia na meto a menya se na be question illiterate no bi ebisa enti no ohwe so onya bibia this time o meto abanati na asma say yakasa about money crazy say nkofo chiska no ene bi happen here is a visual ya we to TV sui already see we dura ne mami betu ska ene bibia the end of the day still na walusu that should tell you say this time no people are going deeper in terms of decision when we are supposed to select our leaders. And the Debiana politicians, no, every take care for granted. Tell me so, ready a prime minister, they do and run some pemisika.
To say that
mammy or to scout.
Information I gather just and notes near 100 Ghana cities news. No,
on a sano. At the end of the day, Uncle Yamana was in a lusu, a wager. Scan over to go, and should tell you, say, now, no, we're a politician. So, say, and yet the Biana of Benyanasa. Now, Nini also is attributed to our literacy rate. As soon as at this time, education, no, the populace are learning. A lot of them are educated this time, and they are also beginning to reason. And here, one day or some years to come, that duopoly may be broken. People will think about competence rather than being, say, we in a yepe, we in a dear tray of fruma. Any mama. But some of the places bit say Asebu. Say this guy Felix. I think the last 4 years, 2020, on one call or contest here on the ticket of NDC. And at this time, Professor Brown so it was going through say as a national organizer Yamin a support no to the extent say Yamin a support na initially deny but later no bow out say o hokran ko beto aba ma no unfortunately I'm for Elambaston as a national executive member you shouldn't display that thing. But also one of the reasons I can't say, but at the end of the day I think Ferris has done so well. What to me are maintaining. Those who went to me and Renee Uncle Parliament there, but still on the ticket, you know what to me I maintain is 2024. Obey me ako. And again, so me and mini papa ako my Parliament. I love you. Upon all the seriousness now, obey put in at the end of the day. All work and no pray. Me just a door boy and run a Sanelugu. Oh man. Oh Mr. Proverbs. Mr. ABA Fuseni. No a media man. No. Alaji and Alaji. They started it. Friendly, Papa. Yes, so good. Because he was a media person. And the America said be more media friendly too. Alaji and Alaji. They started the whole thing. And I think they all buy, you know. Though we can call Obiaba Yehu or more landmark near. But this man have done so well. When you hear Uncle Clovercazo, Papa in a neighbor beno on a neck progress. And so at the end of the day, with whatever be the case, you know, also Jan Mark, in the history of the Ghanaian Parliament, you know. And I think no, some people have been like also more Mogabis no go. Maybe if you say maybe one year class be a BBC beti matono. I didn't even know to near Isa. I think Baba Isa also on a bit in Meji City. Obeje identifying him. Yeah. Nipa baby.
Oh, journey a live on Facebook. Papa ya. Mr. Freje kind of 17. That's Honorable ABA Fuseni, Member of Parliament for Sanarigu. I say no, my sister, listen. No, even if you're a disrespectful dog, you don't go to the Wadaga market and be shaking your. So you see a canon, no.
Yeah. And tell me also those programs, you know. Fix in the content or whatever he's discussing, and that we say is Bema baby or me I think that may be his end. Meaning maybe he will put his teams together and come again maybe 2026. If the NDC, Bessanyato or more prime minister in that time, or so ultimately Jenny sit back here. And again, so here Sam George there. And easy. Last
very difficult election.
We were expecting it to be so. Last time, no, we never 7 votes, and same time, why I repeated the 7 votes. So, a provisional do, but we think they occur. And over if I say this time, no, only a lot of people to come together and say, oh, we want this guy back into the parliament because of ABI and the activity leading to the LGBTQ. Ona, ama, I saw for Abamzo, this guy, we want him to come back to parliament. Now, by and by, and he's also good. Over Parliament, I think he's only disappointed. Typically of his role as a legislature, no, there's a lot of policies here when involved in especially with the committee now, the communication committee now also a Parliament. A lot of those things are any policy that they want to bring on board. Sam George, you can always hear Sam George, whether he is against or he is for. The yield levy issue, a lot of things about it. SIM card registration, you hear him. Yeah. So, on one case, core duty, no, as a legislation, make us say, Sam George has no failed. But maybe the constituents, no, what they are expecting from him, because Ningo Pram there, they are lacking a lot of things. Still, they are struggling through, they have bad rules and other things.
So, but maybe. Journey live on Facebook, the Honorable Member of Parliament for Ningo Pram about to Yaswa, a hono, na hoye heated and nepa, but at the end of the day, at the end of the primaries, Honorable Sam George and now woman man Akua Nyarko on cost any woman in 2024.
Auntie Sam George, dear, we're paying due. I think this Otimunya Nord from Ningo Pram, this is going to be the 3rd time of a parliament. But in 2 years, and in 2 times now we're staying in parliament, I think only some point here. Why me dear, na human ankasa yes or my dear. Utin say why be. And he has been able to win the heart of the Ghanaians, especially the majority of Ghanaians and where set na or Ghana, Islamic and Christianity and even traditional religions na you no omo courting na omo fighting which omo they don't endorse. Sam Joy took it upon himself. He stood in to defend every aspect of the bill, private member bill na otim the core, you know. And to ones as all for now were just really behind. Even the Islamic community was even really behind. Say, this is the guy we want you to go back there. Say, but yeah, ufru wa ya na bill no the way is no. Now you know be over to me they continue. So it's good. Oko this Doma West. I have Vincent. Oko Tomamote constituency and he was the first to go to parliament. And later Ali Mega Betuno on the ticket of MPP. That was 2016. And I signed a bar back. 18 Barbary ni seat, 2020. And I am here to NDC for as a man Akwanya was retaining the seat, And the third time, South constituency, this is the third time they are going for election. And he has always been on the ticket of NDC. Until we then share news to be very. Now let me go to Tano North.
Tano South.
Tano South. Maybe a Chasa Siedu. We are then the popularity factor of the father. A pre rule. I'm never near. Why is it? Because they say the papa no crown national chairman. You can take it or leave it. We are then ABB. I see you don't get here. Chairman General, I'm a baby, I'm a Casabia, vote for Charles Asiedu. But we are then we know how this political things works. There's a lot of people on one camp or move through only the chairman there at the end of the day. You bounce we can also even get some favor in the future when the party comes to power. And Charles, I think Charles ride on the shoulders of the father, the property of the father. Now they only do what me are running. But any easy so sir, a hotspot no. And this what me are running there. Ya mano ya can simple. You man good trinkwa. And I think the biggest battle is there.
So who joining your live on Facebook na wabo Sumpa FM. Ti MCR4 year Juma o kanipa na asem na no de info nyina to so e bia na wonim na nti Ora Charles Asiedu na air live on Facebook no Tano South about to Ampesia so the darling boy for the chairman general Ketia.
Initially I think people were even having issues there. Charles Asiedu could free Tano enough. Moka Honsen baby be most free Jomo. But they forgotten say this thing no constitution make it say if you're able to stay at a place for like 10 years you qualify to contest. Like no baby you free to contest. Even last time Ramadan Nana Oye. I think so say no Omuja Wali I think the litter is no more there. This is Bampo or something. Omoka say Oko Western region baby and no person contest. Omoka say no. In as much so free and one tana. And we don't know you. And also call back to Adenta. At the end of the Okolusu at the end of Ramadan. And this time I think the Ramadan so at me I retain na Oko. Now another shocking one, then Shadanye shocking say ya team ya finance for one there. Dr. Kobredu Foba. Na yeah expect mounted a lot of pressure now. Some of the language you can all cannot. Yes, now politics in no much in the and I say no name that. But you also forgot to know saying he's coming from political home. Because papa has been in this political scene and never or contested for presidential presidential candidate here. Unfortunately, on one last minute or not pull it out now. So we're not expecting much from him. Now we think say okay, fine. He can make an inroads or such a friend prince or but Ankoye and I think the performance and quite very best man. Okay, number no nya na. So far encouraging. Kura I heard the way a man for budget and Sudin China. And I yan work I say John Kakra. Fear delegate. Yeah, on the boy so at the end of the day. Na near my the Ankoye amount. And another Mugabe also to say yes on home. Kobredu for former power minister. I think it's also a penny dues. he has been in the scene since Rollins time. And I think the Wayebi, Bema Meyebi. And this time, no, NDC has shown a way. I think that he's becoming one of the party or more attractive youth, more. And we are more corner or more matimi, arena this contest. And a lot of them are the youth. At the Mabanya, Ketunov. We are expecting. I think that the former one, the current member of parliament, there was an issue. So of course, on Nakasa promises. Okay, this was the third time. Because we knew realize our fourth time. Last time, some of his constituents so no arrangement said this was going to be the last time. Unfortunately, only on my agreement, whether it's true, whether it's alleged, says I don't know. Can I say this one? The Okoria, Uncle Bill. Omo who near na papa ya sanya ba bio say obeso osanko
Mr. Faraje Mr. Oma me ka to kakra na me ni nkomo we mra me nua mpa be nkyere me ewo doma ene ne mpatamu doma hinkro ne mpatamu na mpa be maaju o
eto so nyama
me wo gidie se wu mpom ye anwumre yi
yakopon adom bra na so be fanata
nyame ne ye boafo nyame nti ahoden foforo be bakra uwo doma no ne say ne central ne east anase ne west boy enkomo primaries ne ko say
yo na masumpa atifo ato edempa doma central na ene eye NDC akatamanso na fikiriye amanyoku no eye primaries ne omoko ye no doma central de na also ewo nam one pack itibia eye nana ajumabadu the first na kupa maso na anokwa no nkompa mu ene dwumadi nyina no ehya afie no kwase ni ohwese ne na ekona na efepa na eye amampanimfo de mitra presidential no ehya na eye jo mahama unya 1147 apem oha adia 9 enso ena eye kodubusu ono so unya 5 and I registered ballots so not 85. It is opening Abuma, not 1,157, 58 rather. Number of more kind in a not a come here say ballots pay in paper and back either. And near not a moon say of Momba trouble, but been a fashion butum. The or ye, the 2 year, the year, 1,157. Na embra iwie ya na tefe ekọ parliamentary so na hodi enya sentitoa zanze hodi na ekon no emu exam nipa na odi nkan professor Kwame Agini Boateng ono yeri hihye so no tefe waba we ka ho mpensa so ni embra ofi ebutiri baaye no ene de nyame ye na dom onya 412 votes ahenan eni dumile no ena na odi nkan ewo ballot papers no so ena owura John Edu Jack ono so enya 487 henan edi owoche enso ena ankane nti onabo godin kwaku asubonte adodabure Jesus eja antiana ono so enya 263 ahanu adusia enyensa na tefe bobo na ono ena wekato ama ene nie NDC4 ayinu a one sabe eye Ghana health minister owu kwaku adwumanu senyame ya na do no so mo fo de mano a ama se fufuru bi obeba wo NPP amanyeku ni no one no de be sie ni eye owura John Edu Jack ono ena sebre NDC4 no atimi apaw no na ene wo hwebambo no nsema leta se ekoyie papa because police fandom no one thing pa audi omani we internapia ne memrantie ene maba wa be se edioso ana metin da boba ene tin so no eye DNI commander ura apia ana kana na apia ono so ene memrantie ebebe wonchi dom outin tampa ene bambo no na ewoso na etifo beka ya ebra omo asa apia na NDC4 ekita o ma beto abi no Nti kakra by Emma ekupim ewo court na so emra mpenfo ti ngunya no wote won say Emma do man center de no wo ku yi to court pata de nka bomu aba nti ene ye pe obi a okugina okono anim ewo do man central constituency ɛwɔ NDC amanyɔkuo no edin bi a na ɛsɛ esi ahenefoɔ no ama owura John Adida ne nsa so sɛ ɔnkɔ oni ɔmo anim na ɔmfa wɔn kɔ saa kɔ no sɛ nyame yɛ adom na 2024 ne makɔ yi a ɔmo atumi abɛdi dɔma NPDB ama no ayɛ yie.
Ampabe yɛn na ase pii anwummerɛ yi ɛbrɛ pa a wɔnyɛ asom yɛtiefoɔ.
Maame nso no da ase bebree.
Abusua nana mpabe kyerɛ me ɛwɔ dɔma central na wama yɛ hunu deɛ kɔɔ so wɔ hɔ no odwa ne yɛ live on Facebook very soon yɛ ma the list of members of parliament a wɔn ti atɔ fam wɔn lose 2024 akyi 2024 general elections no wɔn nkɔ gyina mu bi Mr. Fraje na me wɔ hɔ.
Nti the album no quick dɔma central deɛ no I think say
John
Jack Neko. This is the second time, but I will be run on the ticket of NDC. About 2016, on a subontin ya Neko, and at the end of the day, or the subontin a ball. No, on a watch mamma Nukoshia. No, on a was in a ball kakra. But one of the constituency, almost every time, be an which any candidate. Almost every time, be an they come in with a new candidate. We ban there, and Koya. No man saying as a the next 4 years. Honestly, I'm quite no one saying baby. Go prof by, I think some of the prof by Prof Lucia. And I'm cofa John Jack so by, no John Jack Lucia. And I'm cofa Sue, as about 2020. And as Lucia and this time, I say I call back Akofa John Jack Abba. But oh, you know, no here so because of them, you're much changing, you know, to some vote, you know. It keeps on dropping.
Okay.
Over the mass central.
So changing.
You know, it's not helping them.
Okay.
Until this time, no, I think that ASU didn't do well with 200 votes there, or by form maybe. And John Jack, you will congratulate John Jack.
Okay.
Say, wasn't me and Nina, what me about back. I bet you the answer of a contest. I heard you move it to me. Whether I said your man never back. Now, Obetima competing. Now a man is contest, not the man in 2016 now. We are expecting the best from them. Also, you may have some mikrum, so no. No mass central mikrum.
Oh, I see.
That's why I said me to about Sunyani East, no. No mass central, me interest over because what they mikrum and casa. Your top forms is here only a deity because and yeah, we still need the best for the constituency. Those MPP now dominating. Since there are of I think PNDC, Eba NDC na Thomas. Every year, be MP. Oh, I think 2008. The year 2000, NDC call back to opposition. President Kofor and ye chenye na. Yede papa onoka friend say ya osin o say something. Ono education is be oba obedi. Oba MP ono so kwa adwama nu be so mu no. Nti hona be stronghold ama MPP. Since that time say Urako for buy na from 2000 baby ano. NDC has not come closer to the seat.
Okay.
And you know, and I think that one of the major problem here, Tembia Mika said, they keep on changing the candidate. Though they are the same faces. 3 faces, you know, Professor Asubontain, John Adujak, they are the 3 faces, but still they keep changing them. Yeah, but this year, and Koyamana, then the delegates will change their hand. No one signed their command per way. And you know, you heard at this time, no. John Jack Ababio, I think he has learned a lot of things.
Okay.
From 2016 election, no Lusu, you know. And it's also Lusu Ma Asubontin 2020 primaries, you know. At this time, when you chance, I think we are expecting the best from him going forward.
Okay. Journey live on Facebook about Sumpa FM, Facebook Live, Sumpa FM. Na me mind dwumadie na yesesani no because of the presidential and the parliamentary primaries of NDC amanyokuo no nti join live on Facebook but Sumpa FM so Sunyani East abato ampasua so no say ena ehosi tie Savioli pu majoe
Akua Abronoma.
Na Sunyani East the grounds it is saying
So far so good. About Sunyani Abontin so precisely what you thought Livia Yakun, Abato, and so much. If I can't, the Zongo police station. Motuiana, Amaku, voting. And see, Oba, going to vote and for regional, I know we are secretary in the council. And almost champ of Papa, almost only the war to be a security so tight. And I never found my agent. I said, security tight, I said, but the uncle so hard. At a point, I disagreement about them. And but you put me national Mars or what I can't, someone will be a family with the answer here. And he, so about Jubilee Party, they are a bush of motor.
Nti Sunyani East yema tie fonti ase say abato no kura nyankwa awieye
Dabi.
na wo mo hyase bere ban yankrofo akan wo mo de awie ebi abose wo mo be spray wo musika wo mo spray awie asan awe but still ha de yen kan wie yen to wie ye
Almost I say an opponent so now go to the start there. Now Sunyani East, I had the biggest constituency in the Bono region. And to go back at time, I'm a constituency elections in the government. Almost kind of Cobona, I want to do to an answer, and I did 2 How my declaration will be a year. And in terms of the electoral, almost register and the paradox, you see, I also come home. But then I'm missing you and I think I'm paying for so I'm not putting things in the doors and a bit more. But not the police is there too. But the Omoyano, also the elections, but then Omoma. Yen mo mupim grant no kuma ani akiri ba ya no asa ase to ye ndi omo no to ye no ana nkromu fo no ya omo wo kromu ni ye sunye kromu no zogu to fo na last year wo sunye nya omo to no omo to ye pena omo ku se
enti savio ye dan wo update bi e beba no na odi amaye vote ni nyakwa awie na no amatiefo atibi why
me monitor mahus a lot of surprises are ever
surprises bebre
so far 10 incumbent MPs at the form Kim
sure more than 10 yeah the update be matiefo se sia da say
yes
yenya savio lipu e wo Jubilee Park wodim sa Sunyani East de no ho ebansam as far as the venue no ye concern venue no nanka delegate ni bi per catering then it got to a point na bi per boahin kokko finally nanka be STU auditorium ho but ni nyina achi no ba bia wo mo to aba ukotwam wo hu say why the green the white the black and the okodi osichin ye ne so no Jubilee Park ye wo Sunyani abofra fa ye ko Himai lower denchira abato mpesua so na yenhwa ade bi wo ho Himai lower denchira abato mpesua so no ora set a Japan mensan na wo mto aba ni nyina awie ye no odi nkuni wakasa kakra ti MCR Father Romanti yen join live on Facebook but some pev abofra ye ready yenko na enkonko tie ni nsemo a oka ye ni bi
Sumpa FM. Sumpa FM. Sumpa FM. Sumpa FM.
I would like to thank Honorable Foster Joseph Ando. I also want to thank my younger brother Isaac Smith. That we are going to work together as a team. Is to get a seat for NDC and to make NDC hold I promise that I am not going to discriminate. We are going to work and make sure that we get a seat.
Sumpa FM.
A common opponent, that is the MPP. Yes. And so this is an internal fight. For me, I don't even say that I have won. No, I have been selected. Yes. And the win will come when we beat MPP. Yes. I would like to thank Honorable Foster Joseph Ando. I also want to thank my younger brother Isaac Smith. And I assure them that we are going to work together as a team.
Sumpa FM.
I'm not going to
Okay, me da senti himai lower than trabato on pesia so the wodi nkunim no na ya mo ahwe ne live for hono but MC Afada Romanti mon san fa yenko bio Facebook ne so we a list of members of parliament ya wo mo tie akwadwa so wo mo lose ujani a live on Facebook na wabo Sumpa FM Otiangro, mi bobo de ma about 1 person so Kobia West ya me MP bo Abronoma August interior wa luzu iti ato ase we wangura wa nwini hey asemo so on Facebook Sumpa FM Albert Akuka or a member of parliament for Garu about 1 person so ojani a live on Facebook just me bobo because baby obi wono oni access to internet ebema na call your Facebook live on wa hwebi wonani so honorable Albert Akuka MP for Garu Waluzu honorable Dela Sowa MP for Kpando Walusu honorable Kwabena Donko MP for Pru East Bunu East heya Waluzu honorable Samson Chiragia Woye MP for Navrongo, Ware. Honorable Augustine Teria MP for Bia West, Waluzu. Honorable Christian Otu Tei, ono ye MP for Sege constituency, Waluzu. Honorable Kwache Aka MP for Amenfi Central, Waluzu. Honorable Thomas Delu MP for Chianapaga constituency, Waluzu. Honorable Samson Tangobu, you can't no craving to me more, Mr. Nuru, your bonus saying, Cherege, Cherege, or your MP for Navrongo Central, and yet Cheregedash, Cherege, or your MP for Navrongo Central or Lusuye, or Koba Kokahun. Honorable Alex Adomako ye MP for Setra from Plains, Walusu. Honorable Edward Bawa ye MP for Bongo, is our constituency. First, na one pinidin in the constituency name the the pa Honorable MP for Bongo, Honorable Alberta Bongo, but it's here only hobby. Okay, Honorable Edward Bawa, who come Rashebedemwa. Uka MP se wo mra hye bedwafia wo mu gina wo na so pa utumi kan nyini mfrim obi message ode ase no so wo twen 1 former minority leader na batom peso aso de ekosi ye 2 current minority leader wo ma batom peso aso de ekosi ye nti I'll give you that update copy me say ye wo me man ti dwumade ensu de ojuane ye live on Facebook na bo Sumpa FM wa. So honorable Edward Bawa ye MP for Bongo, honorable Elusuye, honorable ABF Hussein, the man of Proverbs, MP for Sanarigu, about 1 person so Oluzuye, honorable Abeku Krensel, MP for Ekunfi, honorable Elusu, honorable Albert Akuka, said no dear Mabo Border Danti. Yankoye nimu on Sumpa 98.9 me mighty Jumadie Sunie Mr. Nuru Yemra the presidential no yaka parliamentary ni bebre presidential so far results eba ni nyina no Mr. Mahama is getting not less than 90% as far as percentage ni concerned 90 and over. What does it mean for his second coming?
I think former president Mbayene, I think the platform was created by NPP for him to come back.
Okay.
Right. So, allegations in Myanmar, the then opposition party NPP, at the tone or so, resulting into Ghanaians believing in Niomokaya or Motuabama NPP. Any Niomu deliver no. You understand? Nti NPP nneɛma bi a wɔn
Sumpa
ka fa
FM
and other things mama abɛyɛ saint in a way, and many people are of the view that yes, ose wabobosia dodo oba the lazy man approach in borrowing or the borrow own to fuel mu $1 bejina baby agina a lot of things. It is oba you know went to me and $1 no oche no call lock no de key no ma IGP still a escape jail no. I think say Ghanaians are beginning to understand that yes indeed nneɛma bi no a wɔde to papa no so no ɛnyɛ entirely true and that say your man the second chance be na watimi make amends, and I think say signals no very clear, and don't be surprised say general election in 2024 it will go the same line. Really? Say Ghanaians will massively endorse Mahama, but as a political party I think say democracy in a practice other people will come and contest to say omonso a beton or moho, not because they are coming to win, but say omo be prepare omo towards future elections. Enubina aja me papa ya wa withdraw ye any Mr. Bonsu omo contest the withdrawals of former finance minister, former governor of Bank of Ghana. I think say we very very hurry up when you're smart.
Really?
We very very hurry up because nanka one declare say we withdraw kra results ya by ya enanke beba.
Okay.
They wouldn't they won't make it impact bia. Oh, ya na de bia me can say hwe say one obi period say adeno oyam se opia da intentions are the intem say one jai na osi o me penyi o de momma ne mfanko mere a obeye wa adwen se onya ya ope no no we kwa chiri this is here ankasa ye kasa whether you like it or not mama establishing a who to a level within the current NDC obia ne timi pere the presidential slot.
Okay.
The edu stage be our politicians na understanding yet. Other than that, I will not contest and waste money on events I mean say me mean to me make impact. But as I say e bia chena wo kwa nipa no we kwa e bia onso contested and I be kwan ama wonti. Me gidi say e bia enunti na omo take his decision. But generally the way no am voting mama no I think say me including my honorable man we are not surprised. We are not surprised senior is anticipate no sana and I believe say he will carry the message yen so yet ye can Ghanaians are listening, and so we surprises and so aba more parliamentary side and what bibia ye clear say winning election in 2024 no any guaranteed emma MPP or any other person.
Okay.
Where Juma, you understand? Any no career where Dima Ghana for no, and no nebe engine so a Ghana for edebe kayo. You understand? You know, I think that is a very good, step towards making impact in 2024. Right.
Journey a live on Facebook about some FM. I'm see a father romantic. We need over Facebook. But handsome one kasa. Mr. Freje results are by presidential in Yinano to the favor of former President Mahama. Say nama uhunu nefa.
I think with former President John Mahama, this wasn't a contest. It was long overdue.
Okay.
In the name say the likes of former governor and finance minister, Mr. Dr. Akua Nyarko and Mr. Kojobunsu, they were all fighting a losing battle. And I don't think the more expectation was to win this time. Maybe they just wanted to announce themselves. So when the former president is no more, you may be the faces. When the campaign manager, Honorable Joshua Alabi, I think last 2020, or contest here. And the reason Kroma and say former president and declared intentions of a contest. That is why I on declare so be contest. The idea of the motor anyway, you know. Or as I say, if former president is coming out, then there's no need for him to contest. Because no one who's own to me. More or less, and it means at this time, even the constituency level elections are having of party now. If you are not even in support of President Mahama, the likelihood for you to lose, is higher. The more even all the executives, we can say most of the executive ride on the shoulder of President Mahama to even win their elections.
This is regional
and national elections and even constituency level. Or the whole batana. Even delegates no cry to say, even Kurano, oh, you'll be our support President Mahama. Likely was over Lusu cry higher.
But that fashion say, me wa Mahama fa until wouldn't enough fan there you have to lose, a boa democracy are practicing the party of NDC.
Democracy is about choices. And and how what the modalities are debating and making choices, especially when it comes to this political cycle now. Nippon the way our establishing within the scene. Though resources also play a role. The current resources na in ETS. But okay, President Mahama, any NDC this time. Now where the key elements of NDC when it comes to leaderships now. The likes of President Rawlings, who is no more. And that of President Mills, also now. The key figure now as holding the embodiment of NDC President Mahama.
Okay.
It is the same, President Mahama Krano. Next time Kras ultimate Kobioa, send a constitution stipulating now. Wow, or so on Sakrana, I bet the war vessel could be in the name of NDC on a presidential ticket. I think I say yes, so I drew declaration.
Okay.
Unless President Mahama cried about into your camp. Because more or less he's NDC now. President Mahama is the NDC. NDC is President Mahama as it stands now. So there's no need for anybody. Say be a contesting President Mahama. I got all resources are good. And we are Dr. Kabrandu for say do or withdraw last hour or court at the injunction court so better no assign by back say or more cause of war more matter. America internally they want to resolve it. And at the end of the one case at the bar press release and no you say on young contest to be. And on nine way. Okay, if you more mudi Dr. Kabrandu for china or more on the campaign elements no mudim na. They are more or less the people are and this is what I say they are all rejected saints. And the likes of Kokua Ido, Umune, Solomon, Cancer, and those people. I think they also see themselves there, Omo ya relegate Omo. And they also wanted to bring their candidate. And to Omanka Sakura no Mudina Chino, they were not appealing to the new crop of NDC people. As the membership of NDC this time, they were not appealing to them. All those members now they hold the Omoye delegates or Mutuabano. All they know is President Mahama. Until here, Kojobonsu, though he wanted to become a frat beggar, but I think say operating at a low. I don't know what is on one and them. Or tonight television, you saw no kind of answer no corny baby. When you show us on him say, I didn't quit. And you know, and you understand also got the resources to be a good.
Tina so training in the history of NDC
so that
there was a man beer. This year also about primaries nibi.
I think that he was announcing himself for maybe possibly 2028 year. If President Mahama 18 Beje Akunyano 2024. Sana ye nim say every 8 years biano table tennis 8 years in the draw head and you will lose no akotana no abano.
A minute. I was oh journey live on Facebook yeah more results nibi e Facebook inti obo Sompa FM near more results where Adenta constituency Honorable Mohammed Adamu Ramadan and now one retaining as the parliamentary candidate going into election 2024 na no ye bampo ado formally na no ye later say sa na ye kan wo bia be hunu no na ma contest o my contest.
Oh, last 4 years, the same thing.
Yeah, my contest.
There's a lot of dynamism in that constituency, that Adentan constituency.
Say, NPP.
Yeah,
now foreign communication director. Surprisingly, also.
There's one key thing about them is that either you change the candidate or they change the candidate. They change the person for you. And he said, "We are MPP. Now I'm for new candidate. Every 4 years, they change the candidate.
Okay.
They change the person who goes to parliament for that constituency. Until we are, MPP for Edinburgh, changing, and this for Ramadan. So I don't know whether Ramadan is going to work harder to retain this seat going into 2024 election. And a serious constituency,
okay, Mr. Ferreje, me pacho ma men kwa homane somra. Minua Eric Anan from the Central Region. Yen konfinfin mantemu na yen hwe constituency be na Eric call ye na what is saying. Eric, good evening.
Good evening, Abronoma.
Pacho na wo mpomu ne te saying.
Ani adom ahode ho pa be na ni pa be so be.
Yeah, mitumi hu pa wa break afra bibia be fine. Constituency be no na wo call ye na what is saying.
Me da say if you na anope me share apobona say if we keep Coast South constituency na honom no anope na say bibia eda fu na mo abato no eno etoja e wo siudo obetie mu boy dia siudo no mo kan nemo no dodo na bibia dodo na e don Robert Mensa Sports Stadium no na kanina ebusuno do isi o makan Cape Coast Sports Stadium mobile emu video call na honom na say na bibia da kama kwa anopano mehe isi obu ma fikem kokopie mo abra atebu kwa Manchester na this man ti ma no madili bia na dodo na eni idi eche ke on me che abra atebu kwa Manchester ni na ne se tie for ne ahefo ebe kaya enche bia ana me bo amam this man ti ma no mo ese Felix Opusi kwache me chidi fo no bi akwa atake ono a ne rival na se my fellow aspirant omo April presidential AC no for abroad atebu kwa Manchester ewo ndi chinyama yekuni bi mo no o ma say ne cars na na nya sam to afa ewo mori ndina ma ehonum na tension wo hoye pa na do na eni bi honum ne china ende ni koko pie mo ewo honum no ale se nema tin na wampa me tra point for na omo honum ano mo tu ban de ba ekua na nya sam to afa ehonum bi bia iko di won sheda ya anti otini wa kan bia ewo honum bia iko di a isi ono mo transport fie mo ewo himan lower dinfa na te honum na bia di na temi twa enfoni bia me ko no a kire insistment mo delegate dia na senate ya ya insistment mo ano no Abronoma ade a delegate ni no mo e de senate to abana na o man no esum 31,415 na apparent omo he igina say etu ahini ni isi ahini point 1 to abana na omo ano esum eduanan nso 47 ana omo he ema ye to on so aba na ni nyine mu no ade ano pese na mka so pie mu e wo Cape South no hono mu na o he delegate omo he to aba na ne man no esum 1,818 delegates omo free police station awodo 110 eba beto aba na bia kama parents na no down na omo ye mensa ewi ase no incumbent and and on about George Wekistigan former deputy finance minister ono Agri Security Ministry as the NDC parliamentary candidate for Cape Coast South and 2024 elections over na within na NDC chinyama nyokunu idimo na okukopie mo abra atebu kwa Manchester na menka tension e ho no nam tayo fra ema NDC for yesu say mani is so one day omo deputy flag bearer na tell omo over na we deputize Mahama professor na Jean Mensa ego kopie mo e ho no mo fra ema oni apenu no supporters ni na di nkomo nam so ema menka say bia na do na se be ba ebitu a be sore no bia ekoda di na abato ni na yede she suye na Abronoma ade a Felix Opusi kwachi tani last 4 years o na wasan so awetani ne fita ene no 6 months mu anu de akwa do na akwa shock do na sansa na kopie mu honom na edin adodo na do ma no oba na ni na ne professor na na ma brown creature sansa ho te bi o mo de fa no on no no mo ni mu na bato no ko chef no tani agro echi ana echi ni hu chele no tinye ni hu chele no na ade a efele ko kwa chema no na wonye mu 830 na ade a professor na ma brown creature na ono nso enya mbani mu 577 itele no abra atebu kwa manke pele nso na ono nso behwe na chiye amanyuko na ono nso etinyahwe etu panka ede amom 2024 elections na kwa no ya ni kokko wiye no heman lower dintra na heman lower dintra no ade a abron ma performance na omo so he eyo mu se yanto won so aba owura ne din ene Isaac Smith Akwa no we no we ne mpie no so a o ahwe aba se eyo to ahini isi ahini for enso no aba ni na ne dan wada obai o de ba be obai ni mu antentamoni owura forcer Joseph Anda ono nso no former MP for Heman Lower Dintra no edehwe so antentamwa one never sounds of the after the elections no inya mano 194 Emma Ura forcer Joseph Ando inya emu 239 ena abia Ura ni bin any set a Japan mensa ono lawyer ono we the first time oba for Heman Lower Dintra ono about the BT former DC former MP for Heman Lower Dintra asan so about the BT second time Ura Isaac Smith ono so erane no the deputant no ono lawyer said a Japan mensa about the union nyamba ni no 322 no ono so the wini o hono no so no 2024 general elections no many nyama ni ono so ebe na wojina no ade bia no ko eni na no abanu ma na ho bia da tinya posiko a omo vinci mante ma ehwe ne mo ma ba so sante mema omo mema omo tu omo ekiti vinci mante ma no bia ko di mema no menken ti bia ese vinci mante ma no omo so no ma ko eduonu ni nta 23 mema no tu after 23 ebu 20 ana eto aba no ho ni nyina na nti no wate a na ewo bia ne nta asen no efutu sanso na ana gumwa central enti sa enya ne nti no asen no efutu sanso na gumwa central ne de enti mante ma abani yenti antokwa ho no ne de enti mfochire ma omo twentwen so na nyoma bi wo ho no ma hwe na oma ya nsana abato na ho no de nya ti ganja ba no ma se ya na mante ma NDC nyama yoku omo parliamentary ana presidential nya e course no eno nemo mimi kwa fa me we de message ade anti mante ma no out of the 20 constituencies na omoto aban emu 14 ana presidential no obutimi to wo hono esan se hono no so na mbe ko chirema nti no ase kakra wo hono ne sa no na wo se parliamentary no kwa no moto name out of the 14 the bian ko eni na hono ni na no ade presidential no itimi to ja hono ma John Dramani Mahama ni handsome ni massively enya temke to aban
Eric wabo adwuma nyame nhira opa wabrɛ nti pensio bi gu hu na fei hu me kakra
mate da sepan
ye da CP abisia yenua Eric anan ɛwɔ mfimfin mantemu ɛna wa update no ojo ne ye live on Facebook bo Sompa FM Facebook live Sompa FM na yemfa the happenings ni nyina no ɛma wo ho the videos the pictures everything obo Sompa FM na wa join ye live for ba me update you kakra bi o Joma Central abatom pesua so parliamentary candidate elect Ora John Edujak okwa adodo na afre ni John Jack eno no anka betumi ari okatrem na unim Brekum West abatom pesua so Ora Steven kwabena kire uba STU adodo na afre ni Stuttgart wono no wa wini ewo Brekum West abato empesua so candidate elect no Ora Steven kwabena kire dodo na afre se kwabena Stuttgart nti Brekum East Brekum West mumpacho Brekum West abato empesua abafra oye ko Facebook mo ubo adwuma o dwane e live on Facebook na wa ba ba hwe owura kwabena kire na ne mfonyini eda so no Mr. Virgin nam se na me wo ho ansa na me ko Central region no
yeah na yeah first to gather about me I think that this is not first time
wa kopa
and sa seat in there this MPP for no akurama since its inception I created that constituency the Kun West MPP for na akurama abesi sabri and says together say nya akwanya biwa e pese da bia nye primaries na wa wene na election oba na aja ase abai bibia o na o abetro cancer this time no I was all no hono putting the things together because he has been familiar with the constituency where DC constituency open
and buy a Facebook no so now bought some perfume Mr. Stugard and na nimfonyi da hoyi
he should work hard so put more strategies and say by delegates no to abama no or moon no mo no be say this time no he has come na waba nso no waba na emeye de bia say oba contest ya na fe omode na abo agogo e de na abo ho meaning whether say this time so MPP dey agogo e be say aba dia agogo de na abo ho ache until this time no so obenya agogo dia na obenya new face nso a and she shows that he has been familiar with the constituency, they know him and he has been with them, so he should go ahead and do more. Now yaka President Mahama issue no akaza President Mahama there the whole issues na 2016 ele to abati anana so we yaka say that time no na ye wana ana ye terrace say the same issues are happening and they're happening in force.
Okay.
And amanko fanya GDA say now we are talking about lesser devil. We because two political party no obi anya nti say o mami na se bi anya ye hwe de oye lesser devil
de oye kakra
ana de ne bone no nso sa nti by and large no ye hwe the parameters MPP for at the to 2016 say yen chenyi President Mahama na things are happening now no west and they are even worse than President Mahama time no where the likes of corruption issues I can't want some President Mahama time where this time they are happening and they continue happening scandals day in day out where boloing I can't want some the likes of even Dr. Bawumia Beka say any explosion Beka say or no son 8-year-old son if it's all about boloing any the Ulu country and 8-year-old son gravity me abon home den kra chen ye no and you can see the boloing na debt kwa na 714 billion national debt from President Mahama time na 114 na 120 billion na ye condemn crucify no na ne and 714 billion na uti say bibia anye enko ye you know they can have their reasons to say the Ukraine maybe COVID fine they can make those arguments but the issue is that one person now the marking scheme buy and the marking scheme now the buy no this time you see the same thing for you and the young say no it's no good and Mahama time no is better than your time and that has positioned President Mahama say no Ghanaians are hearing for you say when we look at the two devils you are the lesser one so this is manifesting when you go for no moto abana yenti binka so munyina because the NDC delegates you know I say so you understand the fundamentals they are still citizens they are Ghanaians those who voted today are delegates you know they are Ghanaians who are also going to vote for the bigger election 2024 coming and they're also going to have a lot of ripple effects in telling people why they should vote for President Mahama. So by and large I think he knew I don't think that President Mahama now we can't this he thinks that it's going to be acclamation. It wasn't an election.
Okay.
It is that the delegates are just going to a constitution no crown those kind of conditions you know. In your constitution I can say even crowns will be uncontested or still say acclamation. I don't think Zenka in your class on back for this contest. But at the end of the day, you know, be most of the contest here, I think by announced no last time I announced on Sylvester Mensah and I Sylvester Mensah so attend on once this time say bra and yes me go waste me ho my member be ntinana ye nyina ye hu ye join the winning team nti won team join the winning team na so bokwa kwaje wani ngwase a na wakwaje and I dia ankasa ye kwa brandfo ohun last hour no say aden ba bia ka kono and this kind of injunction and these things I won't get. I'm not going to win. So let me be smarter and call this off. Say because of this kind of irregularities, I think it's happening in the book. More voter book on internet already drawn. I think it wasn't going to make any difference. Even as I'm in as much as already drawing, and it didn't go that. Until the people were still giving some one vote to 0. I was just going through. I saw some praise be or Utinya 0 no koni baby. And you there you could Akremi President Mahama.
Okay.
So I'm round the ticket. And he know the bigger picture is on the campaign or call rounds in now. You can see the campaign was not tilted towards delegates. He was speaking to Ghanaians.
Yes. No, yeah. 2024 campaign.
2024 campaign now was
okay.
He was not talking about say delegates in Koto about because that one is done deal. It's long overdue, and now where the focus must go is how to bring the citizens along. Now, on between I the 2024 election, into one country and delegates for. At the end of the day, he was speaking to Ghanaians because he was just attacking the president or the government now. Or more president, I would not do anybody who me issues, and I'm not responding and all canceling before more, and I'm almost responding. There is no way I could young political platforms so they never came through in a campaign message in this animal because he saw them say they are not people to reckon with, and therefore he have to look at the bigger picture and start because already near the Adena area. And today is what we were expecting, and it has come to pass. He's going to get around 98-99%.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. I'm joining your live on Facebook, but some perfect now results, no. Above Kada Romanti or the Mount Kakran or Hosa on Facebook, Obo Sumpa FMA. Mika Mobobino so mount. Na yenkoye anymore. But Bobobia, Bessa by studio near beside your forcing. A binuma sma or more can say. Former President Mahama name Dudwana to Obama ne Dudumu or Prime Minister Akoso Neno. Saying I was CJ or my Ghana free. Ne papa the late Merson some no de kodru he. Wo Jani ho. Saying MPP be so mu wo so ya kwa kodru. Enya bia nya wiase na ekọ na nimu nti ama ya dwen say na breso ye na nanye. Enya bia ne modern mo bra no ote akunya so na etisen se na no si conduct ne ho eya mpa se wo hwe na montuo wo ne campaign yemu a wonya lesson bia esese oyo alternative ema Ghana for na oyo alternative na ndis na yo alternative na the MPP for ye o mayi enya bia die na esese Ghana for hwe animu so mu si gina ye 2024 abatuo mu a ye no ye bedi ehun komone ye bedwafo no akom na ye mfa results ni bi ma o join ye live on Facebook Obo Sumpa FM Facebook Sumpa FM wo kwatachi my south abatuo mpesua so am Owura Christopher Bayire na womo ayi ni sen parliamentary candidate 2024 general elections afei Oba Sunyane West dia for now woman ni candidate Oba Sunyani East here for now Savionia my information say vote na kwa wie by the time my information no na ka baby ba akopɛ a wo mo Sunyani East uko Sunyani East about to ya chen about to be 2020 general elections because Sunyani East ɛhɔ nko 3 days academy declare nationwide ye nyina wie na ewie Sunyani East de wonnima de ɛhye hɔ eti Sunyani East results nyamae Sunyani East about to ye between Said Mubarak and lawyer Kwabena K Junior lawyer K nti mrantie mienu wo mabato no Sunyani East results enya mai ukota Chimai South wa na ye acclamation na ye unopposed patrol Chimai North mum na ye unopposed si honorable Elizabeth Ofosua Jare ono eye unopposed wo Chimai North awafra fa results ni bi gugu so ma omo a share live on Facebook no so enya enubi na we no nye wona eti wo the traditional 989 ni so no kintampo no fa batom pesua so eye honorable Joseph Jakala wo MP wono na akwanya no wanya oto aso bion ukodoma West abatom pesua so a honorable Vincent Opon Samoa ono na yemra hyebedwani wo ho wonya akwanya oto aso bion na uko Tano South abatom pesua no eso a amze no ye Tano no fo hu goma memra ha no mo ansan ukodoma Central abatom pesua so a Ora John Edujak dodo na afrenon Ora John Jack wono na womama na kwanya so parliamentary candidate elect for Doma Central yen Ora Edujak John Jack Ora Steven Kwabena kire parliamentary candidate elect for Brekum West abatoɔ empesua no so afei ami huri nkonkrofo krom kakran Tano South abatoɔ empesua so Ora Charles Asiedu abrantie na ankasa no ni campaign yemu nya na otumi se ne vim wo soro na ne kasa bia che se I am winning and indeed he won Ora Charles Asiedu na ye parliamentary candidate a wo mayi no wo Tano South abatoɔ empesua ne so afei Pru East abatoɔ empesua ne so the news e wo ho pa ne ye se former power minister member of parliament Ora Kwabena Donko Dr. Kwabena Donko weluzu ningo pram abatoɔ empesua ne so no honorable Sam George onya akwanya obesan edi NDC party nanim ewo 2024 abatoɔ ni mu Dr. Kwabena Minta Nyaku Cape Coast North member of parliament nyame adom wawini wo to aso 2024 obesan edi party no anim hemai lower than abatoɔ empesua so Ora Seta Japan Mensan na wadi nkunim ewo primaries ni mu honorable ABA Fuseni abafrafa ne to so kakra na abebuo hene eno no ne bene de ya obu beni se ya na fei bibia aye cool na bebuo no ba ku ni was in fact when you see someone selling his pregnant goat it means there's trouble at home so be turn upon chia onyemu a na say efie nye kra nti honorable ABF Seni member of parliament for Sanarigu abatoɔ empesua so we luzu ewo na abatoɔ empesua no so wo primaries a course so ne day wo empesua no eso so wo call Gwan constituency a afei no mo make first appearance in parliament so their first appearance on the ticket of the NDC Ora Fred Agbenyo Uncle Fred na metade Fred Uncle Fred congratulations Dr. Zenator Ajima Rollins member of parliament for Koli Klote abatoɔ empesua ne so nyame adom retain party ma wo musi hini tu hini no ama na kwanya so ujwane live on Facebook honorable Sam George yes congratulations honorable wabre so honorable Godfred Sedu member of parliament for Wa East retain na honorable Felix Kwachi Ofosu Abra Asebu Kwaman Kessing retain for 2020 now a parliamentary candidate na afin so no wasan enya saa kwanya no ora dem agbana parliamentary candidate elect for Ketu North abatoɔ empesua ne so Ora Edward Bawa Elusu ewo Bongo abatoɔ empesua ne so Ora Samson Tangombu Mr. Nuru pato ye boni saying Samson Tangombu so yo member of parliament and I say yes member of parliament for Navrongo or Lusu Navrongo seat no Navrongo na information nya
is central
good
Kofi Ada.
Okay.
The late.
Honorable Kofi Ada. Okay. Journey live on Facebook but Sompa FM. Facebook live Sompa FM. But me pick information be a very sad news. It does not relate to the NDC elections though, but information I may pick it word Dumasene said ayira mu akum akwada bi a wanya obi a wo final year or a student ayira mu ate akum no wo sunwa Dumasenti information I may pick me link it up with Ochiami pneumonia hwese ebenya the actual details no e dey ama yetie for join you live on Facebook me mind djuma die so enie now messages no fabra wo Facebook ne so ho na yenkenkan emfa maun Facebook live Sompa FM abofra fa ye ko ba no anu wo spray sika no na onim Julie osan so lusu yi o want to be ani nkonim enu na ha adwenu ka hwe awaba we pa me ye my fro amesre na mana ba ase so de osi spray sika no de oba sika no 200 Ghana cedis note no on fa bondro no enum pe sika wo ho na ka o spray gu be swa fa to nyame adoma next month me ware ya bra be spray sika ni bi gu my fro so ma me na awofra betumi amaya kenkan messages no ma me hwe kakra wo me phone so say odoi tema no wodi free no say or her life e wo tema ho na ma me se wa ye da ase tan Edward Nibeku no say me hwe mo life e wo atabena sen mo nkoso na mo nsom Ghana man Agustina does no say hwe Ghana fo su sika ho no hwe de awuraba de sika ye delegates anim hwe krofo pese o mo fro car no na se sika no kro ma ne ntofo wo to the sro ha na no so so ne sro ho Joshua Yideb no say yenkwaso na ye nya adwumaden ye da say for messages no ebra on Facebook but Sompa FM video we ni ho nkomo kakra ansa na ya ba the candidature of former President Mahama Nuru monocracy in politics.
Yes, it's unfortunate the way politicians perceive the electorates at times. I won't say monocracy was system, but to display it the manner she did, insulting. And so the way delegation also pay in the back and one. She will not be forgetting it in a hurry. And actually, teaching a lesson, so say, how much any arrogance, it would never be hono. Yana emboa. Besides that, sikanwa kasano, wenyane sen, wenyane he. Odi di juma odi no. Okay. Because se oya kwalana miribia no uhia na o papa de ama o mama de ama wa eyana you come to appreciate o papa o mama mbode mbo e wo 1 cedi na o mode ama o no abra wan kasa wa sweat anya 1 cedi ziwe hu nti se na o mama ma 1 cedi o papa ma 1 cedi na o feel say me we dear papa man 10 cedis and now then but at the moment wan kasa no was start say o toilet wo sweat anya 1 cedi no samre no the usage no na wo use ne omode ma wa unhu bebia efiri no na wa appreciate say da bi say me hwe kwan a me fa so use sika yi nti se wo hwe ne wo yi ya e kire say sika no omode che no wambre obia wa bre bia no a wanya sika no will not behave the way she did. Okay. And se obeye kra no a it should be confidential. I mean obi wo ho wo pe o de manu a wo beje ba won pese obi kra be witness se wo de bibi ma no. Okay. Nyame kra se o ma obi ade no right kra ma left him. They say who display ni see ya na sa arrogance no hu akatua na nyame adom nensa ka na anwumre.
Ma memra oho Mr. Freje yenhwe monocracy in Ghana's politics.
Ane dia ye den ya e be kasa be kan ye ho. and that has given birth to corruption. I as a politicians, you know, corrupt. And yaka say scano onya wen ma me no display scano hin onya ye ade on de ono ani sika in finance ye Friday bi ROI, return on investment.
Okay.
So we delegate now allow my discuss amount now go to aba ema obia first only competent to even lead the constituency. Now the only day or call parliament now and quite amount. As soon as only the sika no kwakope. So I say 500,000. There was a time, even the election, other NGOs they work in relation to elections, you know. They were made CDD and those guys were even mentioning amount for somebody to go to parliament, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes the budget was even around 500,000 Ghana cedis, which is all currency 5 billion. As an obia to me. Anya even to be on a ticket of a political party. And some are election. So why we ask ourselves, nipa ninya says canana so says canama. No man is our opportunity no kwa. Then I wo kwan na say no. Enya no ho na okoye ho adwuma wo. Unsuo na wunya bi no ma wona mwa na num suo no. Enya no ho ase na okodi. Afi na obeteneka. Because why investment is all the talk or conscience. Because you were not discerning enough to see that this is the issue. But and another aspect, another side of it, and say, which is very sad also. So, bet to me, at this place, Karen, oh, Nippon, what then can respect it? Give us that kind of respect. At least. Now, what is she? And I fire TNT. And I'm not as a President Mahama campaign manager, Professor Joshua Leby, issue statement say across the board. Every delegate is supposed to be given 40 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
For them to use as their TNT, any other movement.
Emma, who call a Wutu Senya cry, it was reported, say, a who crab as Semna,
yeah, be one pocket.
Be
one pocket is can over, go ahead and I remember. But this is very serious and sad issue, sir. Who Jinahona, who Tuska. Now, a man for a play. Look at Stampede, Gravity Messi. Yeah. I'm a be more teety obiso. She said, how what do you take them for? Now to scale in a car, so now to scale. But at the end of the day, no, the delegates there have also shown that kind of maturity. Almost what me and my young say, they can never be bought with that money, no. And you know, on my idea or send off fata. Because this woman already a crank, some of us will condemn.
Okay.
So on some fata. Because oba onya kwan na parliament ya scan no kwa wia. Some of us, that's how we are going to conclude it. Scan no be wia. Till at the end of the day, ejura search your dumase for no atima chere. Say with all your money and your pay, we need somebody who can give us results, who is competent enough, who understands us, and who will not take us for granted. And is not going to throw money onto us. Unka all the all respecting the bank friend enough first cano. Shedding same class and patch on Jaja is the 11th commandment. That shall not be caught. Until first scanning is Obia. Where they are mutual, at the end of the day, we make it say there is no evidence. Yeah. It's just a hearsay. But to come out clearly, say, money scanner, I have the money, go and vote for me and do it. I think it's a wrong thing. We must all condemn her. Now, I am proud and I am commended, etc. A Jurassic demands for what they have done. So much more rejected such a person. I think is not going to help them. Until you are more bravo and kudos to them for what they have done. And your person son will be going forward. Will be over better say Munis canam go to Abamano. Now is on no. Yes, Mojis cana. Yeah. Monsan 20. Okay. Now on so next woman and in down there. We need ideas and we need people who can move or have vision for the constituency to develop the constituency that we define, and not people who are just coming to make money or use the constituency as investment to come in. As the more they put in, the more they get the position, then they go and enjoy. Okay. That's what we are expecting now going forward. Okay. And this fair signer, young and go for Ajiskano, but still, my men are losing. When says everybody order there, oh yeah. Few delegates in the second one out.
we dey o ma kire ne fie mu fie pa o
eye pa o ma ya de nso
afia o join your live on Facebook Bosompa FM Facebook live Bosompa FM aja madam na esprit ne de wo ho no but ma me fa ba ko bi nso nka ho ma abofke na on fanto ye Facebook ne so eno so wo mu say election de ye den a obi be che ne ma. But before I come to that, this is another breaking news. O join your live on Facebook. You see this businessman, Dr. Emmanuel Kojo Jones Mensa. Oh, well, Lusu Wakita about to Pesfiane so. Ti o join your live on Facebook. Bosompa FM Facebook live. Bosompa FM. Me mind ti jume dien. Ene NDC Akua Baninti. Yasese ni no kra. Ye kono different levels. Se be ma iwo hunu. About to the course nyina na Michael Asare no say araba we pa de na odwene na dwe ye ne say bibia na yesika ohu e we nay politics mu nti sa bio. It is about proper messages for message to on ye so nto aba ma o de sesi ano ma yesika ye beje na ye di ne yasan ato atia. Kudos to the NDC delegates. Michael Asare Facebook live messages ne ba making kind ya mabofra me de ba ku bin so ma on Facebook minim say in a jiffy o de beto so am ya hwe no wo Facebook ne so the daso say see the businessman, the big businessman. Businessman can see pa o what ato now yen hwe the conduct of the election say aye peaceful issues are ebo ba asawanse nom ya yi we din free register mu ni go pram no me pene at the end of the day about to ni nyina ba na we the conduct of the election we has your honor Mr. Nuruddin.
Yes, I think that basically Akui because human institution be anywhere obenya no senior we see anticipating and that is why a remedy wo say obi antias here no or call the attention of authorities edega a court ma omusiesie nti I feel say kwan a omofa so siesie asem no kra no e kire say omoye formidable institution na omoye omo amopese perepere eye adwuma election book abia obidin nim and whatever ma hu be ma Ghana card ba picture and a taro.
Okay,
you understand? So these things are things and at times we have to accept it and let it go. Nti say no 1 2 3 be ba ne be fra thousands in numua, you cannot quantify it as being a failure.
Okay.
And I think that they've organized it well. They've shown that yes, it's about time say politicians, especially or more vie to become presidential candidates, more corner this way. Then koye say obe bashi nipa nyina kugu ba bi ba ko. Na fi monicracy aye kan ho asemu na akodominate wo ho. Obi ani ho e wo Ghana ha obetimi atosa ankrofo yi a omoto aba mama yi. Oni wusika nyina nyame ma wo sa sika no. Nti se e ba ne se omu bie no this level na obia timi exercise in a franchise na wujin wholeheartedly even without seeing you now what to abama it means he say a very important place in the fellow's heart. The elections now kuyi senior city bia Jesus Christ graba on your opposition on your frictions and what at the end of the day he was vindicated. And I think that senior is a core no sounds on the back copim say we as a baby yeah. Okay. If you are to ask me, say, in percentage wise, I can give 99% success.
99%?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Before Samuel comes to Fred what join your live on Facebook, when so another monicracy, apart from this one abofra ba kuna me de ma osisia no ma me fa credit mfa myjoyonline.com enti ebinum nso omo beto wo ma ba na wo mo kɔ no omo nso ne ma na hyehyɛ omo moto emu yi o.
Yes, I think that we cry ye chen see ni pabinom as display sikano because ye wo nipa fry mu a omuhia moa.
Okay.
You understand? And found the intent or the sad no e manipa no. But sad no also a bit me making impact when nipa na brabum for a while. Right? Mage ne nuama mami bono ne sisi. I think say masa say what na kra say da obi hu say we it will take her closer to a month or two. You understand? Anti say nuama no yes we ye bra say that kind of attitude should stop and whatever.
No, but
say opportunity in so ba say on so chire onuado. You understand? Your love to people who love you are. Edu stage be a corruption no you know ama ne separation ye thing. But I think that it is proper say obi ye te ha ye kese mera wanya utie be mera tiefo nya ya omote omo radio so etie ya no ye ntimi ntwia omoka
at all.
You understand? Nti say when appreciating is all the time you take people for granted. Right? So say oh mama this opportunity na me say okay fine why you are there car or they call Kumasi no the 2 cities square yes obi bedwen say e bia 2 cities no na influence o but oye wie ansa na wo je 2 cities no interest 2 cities no na influence o. You understand? You know I feel that
omodia no in this case no on farm mo so you mo favor say bi o ma besra mo e na o ma ka mo hawa kire me say ye hia we no dia mo mo this one purely je nafa to abama me.
Well, whichever way it is, I think that human relationship or human interaction nene bibia no akoye bibi ena obia wo you know interest ewa na mo bi wo tu ewa brabom me ko oduma se men so me ko ye observations kakra ni ande mbema mienu holi omo ho se misika aba wan fan mame for o can say den maja me body we are meji intimi nto aduru to aba ko and whatever wo reason nti a wo bae e wom se wo ye party ba but wo ba ni nyina no wo jai bibi na wo ba wa budgeting so because ya ma na akoye norm se ni penyi kan yi you understand nti no wa budget dey aba nti wo nipa no be more disappointed se wo bana na e wo anticipate no anya kwata of it na je se wo frɛ no kra wo hwe na chinhwe o
mini se monicracy wo Ghana manyo semu sika ye de ma delegate agina so ato abama ye no de emfiri muda.
No baby adri it has come to stay. Senior ye be ya ye betimi ama demand no aba from no and e say but for now say na ye kra PNC oluma ye tia ye fita gbojogbojo yi ye cause ye elections Masa, you have to do something. Let's be very honest and sincere to ourselves.
Okay.
Because obi be free drop waba. Obi be free far away aba. Eye danya nankwa no. Obetimi aye ne obetimi aye nyina no. But nankwa no ewo no mu a wode ba no wuntimi nto ho. Wuntimi nto na wuntimi ntua ho ka.
Okay.
You understand? Nti wunti a wo ba no. Se bibi tu no kwan mu no ohwere ne nkwa no so ye kan say wa hu ne mi kire nti the fact say nipa timi ase ne mre ne kra na wo se unti na me ba eno nkwa no sika bia ni ho a wo de be hye ni nsem a ebitimi atwia ne ka but se ne ya yesi fa no e na ama e ko dane bibi
okay
dan ya elections bia ye koyi baako ho de be chen baako baako ho do ewo nipa no anim be chen baako but dan a nyame nso a wo kan say wonu ne yi kandifoɔ no wɔma obi nso ahoɔden ɛwɔ bibi ho nti wobɛtumi awɔ nimdeɛ no akyɛn me you understand so na me wɔ sika kyɛn wo nti ankɔyɛ pɛ a ebi anam awi ni and whatever saa ne nyinaa ɛkabom na abrabɔ no yɛbɔ nti some of these things wo se wo deɛ wo som nyame boro so nti wo deɛ wo nti ase and whatever obi wo 12 o'clock obi wo no obi akɔ adwuma because that is the reality our ground no we should admit say a part of us na nyina collectively yenhu say hwɛ sika no aya yɛde ma omo no ana sika no a wo kɔ ya a wo giye no nti wo that moral right beam say nipa no ba na wo say o kwan wi wonye ya obeti wo because sika no wo kɔ fa ne he na kwan ben so na obefa atua hoka you understand me gidi say eya na se obi ye papa ma ona wo se medawase a nipa no feel say wo de wo ka kese chen say waje usika you get what I mean nti se wo discussion ni nipa no nsemu a ene de se si ye na ne yura fi but se eba na se e bi a onuru medase wo de nyame nti se obeba obeboa man no nti ma ya ma you only say only nipa no be respectful for the rest of my life but say ne ye kan cause am mere no so se wo hwe nipa o mu titigu nipa o mu spray sika nipa o mu spray sika still o mu lusu a ya koye se wo hwe 20-30 years back you be I say eduru 20 years 30 years back no na utimi sikani ewo kuro bi a owom bi wo no nko a ne fie na kaa wo bande nde Land Cruiser na o de ye gaga no obi di baller asituo a wo de kogu nti ebeduru stage bi a saa money ayi eno nso bepem na akoba say fine say de ideas na ye hwe because nyame adom ye literacy rate no akọ animu to understand say obia timi kan obia hu obi ntimi say you know nipa bebre emfa no te say pastor ana imam yi gina wo kan bible ana quran na yitie no Facebook na wo ka say omo hwe yi you understand omo hwe ne ekoso nyina obia yitie nti nipa no ana eye na research na wo hu mu ne kre na wo tie ase nti the olden days are akwa say all the time this will become ema wote na ono version of it na wo try say wo be ma wo no wa tene de na ase na woni avenue bi a won so be fa adwen wo de ho no asese ni nyina erodi a I think say time is far approaching say sa nnuema no so with time no ebepem
okay me da say mame ko Facebook ansana ma saba me so for reje ho Kwansa Joseph and was say Ghana for ye near da ho pa o untumi mfa wo sika ma metoyen Mark entry no say ye friend me Mark Apex me hwe mo life for penkwa sen no say na sunwani east no de na free ho ba Mark de wo ho ni say the last time ye reporter reporting ma ye nwumre wo dwumadie ne so no say awato ye nkra ye ka say ya still woman to sunwani east abani wiye oh sunwani east e de enko e wo mu say delegate ne doors over 2000 delegates but nti e de enko sunwani east for to wo ma ban wiye nti obi a wo twen cd any lawyer k results no sunwani east for wo ma bato no wo mu ntu wiye kra wo say kaka kra bi no wo ma to awie nti ekobo no ndu o akasima be se aduasa miensa na no ndu abo nti sunwani east akaka kra bi na wo mato awie na fei sort na shase na accounting so edi so wo join your live on Facebook abo Sumpa FM Facebook live Sumpa FM amenchia menua Abdallah phobia phobia na niema mu tesan ukotwa asi wo ba bia ndisi for to wo mabana na wo ye business ya mamente wonka why na menchia menua Shanton wo Shanton Classics Shanton majo pacho nyame hira pa da bia no afidie no eda Sumpa 989 Mama nto so wa fam ho Mr. Fureje na sade atie bia no sunwan east fo antumi anwie na nondu body a ye bepon na efiri ho no ye beba bia ye be matie fo wo ye social media handle Sompa FM on Facebook, Sompa TV Ghana on Facebook and YouTube and sompaonline.com. Mr. Fureje muni kresi ba bia kika koyi ye ntumi nya ho hwe se ene ya ba betenanti.
Oh, no necessary say any better na intimi yan worry. But the woman say say yeah realist kakra.
Okay.
Our destiny. Young fans, young delegates on Moto Abano. Mema contest maybe for Sunyani East. Na me pese me bound the take it off any of the political party na. Okay, baby, you move free ba. Be move free at Ronier. Say Krobi show. What Ronier kwana so. Sa kro ne gugu ono.
Kro nkumano.
Yes, kro nkumano mu gugu oni nyina. Ene la rice o mo free. You beba koto krom krone wo no tim say at the end of the day me na me pese omo be yi me. This is a party politics. Turnout contest. And I me pese me nya higher turnout. Okay, campaign but wo ye campaign na wo kono. Utim hu bi mu asetenam. Nipa na o ye constituency sa branch executive na wo ye fa na say atronie ana ne kuro nketenkete na wo mu no okwa tuda ko bidi okwa no mo kwa afum na wagina omo na at the end of the day one will say na must centralize the voting say emra constituency level nti obi ofri atronie o so ofa ka aba obi o ye ahima foku o so ofa ka aba na obeto aba no based on TNT kekenti no obi ko aka se menya scam free o ma meto aba no
so no other na political party a omuji dues was source of funding through dues or mojiji no election bia omun taking care of delegates no instead say be the aspirant no na said yes obe fund delegate no transportation
the bit my subject of discussion.
Okay,
but as it is now no our political party nya hu ebia na omo dues no kro omo je ne say na eba so when your chance ya ko political party funding mu a won't say dues na very mianga or the whole or more funding sources of money eba no because sunyane bia sunyane is to obi so almost scarce no motima mobilize around the constituency they will tell you say yentiminya bibia nti ade wo de be ye burden ema contestants no because me na me pa ade no se meja na mamoa omo free ayiba control omo free control ba mamoa ma ade wo de no omo meto aba no ama ye nya sa turn out na ye pe no so when we talking about bribery now we always talking about the action a constitute intentions and implementation you can intention there na nipa ni gina so de ya de no
okay
to say me I'm coming from this corner say nipa ni free nipa ni te control and e beto aba Mako who living standard it's not better for them. Until for us to get them to come and vote in Sunyane or Jubilee Park, let me support them with 30 Ghana cities. Let me support them with 30 Ghana cities. No more to Abano. Now another intention, so say no. At the end of the day, my memo muska, na me for influence so that they will come and vote for me. Sometimes we have something we call doing good by doing good. Though my intention is just say, okay, let me support them so that they can have a transportation. Ombetimi aba beto about the end of the day. And I say nipa beba be di we say Sunyane East up to now that so to aba. Nti obi free control na ba ya oba no past 7. Up to now ebia wanya kwan ato na aba de. But osan gina ho person how the election is going. And the outcome said the auto ye na nyame boa the choice no be making no. Obetimi anya bi ofree akokra network akanse to obetwen. All this one nipa no. Dey no obedi. You say says can I be on the more no and run on the bed and ever support omo. But justify you know, a do baby a hoodie. Only when say scanner what them more no is there to influence them and to change their decision making. And not they condemn.
Okay.
Yeah. But so will support omo genuinely based on maybe where they are coming from
But in election, no, say onya yisika biya the ma delegate can't we conclude say when you support but a influence?
And we can also talk about even the amount in question.
Okay.
Because okay say TNT, unti mame 1,000 Ghana cedis. And can Jeremy say TNT?
Me and me free.
Me and me free abisi me beto about osu yan wa mame 1,000 cedis, 500 cedis krana. We cannot justify say we adia or the say in a way of supporting. We can genuinely say no, you want to use it to influence.
Okay.
And so far as the politicians in your margins on best, now they will continue to do those things. They think that they bet me I no. So your more muska they will vote for us now. Going forward, what was that this time? Election is a sound. Election is a 2020. Because you be say, yeah, election no. What happens in the parliamentary elections now? It should tell you if you're a politician. Say this time we are moving. Why? Because social media also playing a great role. Social media, amount information are accessible this time, and people are understanding what goes on. During year say President Rawlings time, and then even President Kofo, and even the early part of President Mills, now information wasn't easily available, sir. If you bet man say, you bet man can scandal how many radio stations were you even having?
Okay.
How many television were you even having in Ghana now? And how many of them? Most of the even media platforms now they were affiliate stations among these two political parties. This time, no, private ones, but social media, you have a lot of platforms. Private platforms are, individual platforms are, or more bringing out information. I try to even explain information to people. And the citizens are even thinking along. And now they are using it to base on decision. And some of those evidence in I say who are scanning the over to me. This time, Obagaso, Monique Cressy, send a year and rano. Sana ne, one more movie be a any. Yes, I want to about my na. One obia to Skagina Castle. The only chair will cook cry and kayo. The all year we know things why you be cry or cook and I will be display. Actually, almost there, made me buy me the music and music Canada. And people are saying, say, and yes, California, some of my where the lines of Kwajo Jones, a big guy,
yeah,
or you're one of the most luxurious wedding celebrated a serious one. No one is a you wait myself Kwajo in is the you say cater the idea or qua because we believe in the monocracy now. I can't have 7 and the Kwajo fan fala. At the end of the day, we'll lose.
So, young Kase, though Sika Ghana politics more, you have to pay before Yabema Wakonya, but still it doesn't decide.
As evidence in issue.
Okay.
So though still now we're not getting where we want to get to in terms of it, but what is happening now? I think we will get there.
Okay.
And you can see there, scaffolding in cafes the okra scanner there, we know. Oba kronum dia yakaso papa we there. Oba onyamo obi eskase nipa 600 na to aba. O select nipa 400. No achi scam mo. 1,000 Ghana no ma to aba na ma ko. This time we dia grombe jiska. On besin up 20 yaw. That's to tell you that certain we are growing and they are becoming more discerning and they are now calling for ideas and people who can better their lives and change wherever they find themselves. And now it's about people who are over to scale one carry. Now, catch you say, I think one of the professor, Kenyan professor, be lawyer, be or a proper or contesting for election.
Is it Professor Lumumba?
Yes, Lumumba also acquire can and some ideas and go. Only part of one can over no which is schedule Lucy. But and will be a sunny idea to your dream. But this time, you be who those kinds say go for will be disappointed in those things. But another years to come, 2028, we will see more. So gradually, you will get there. Whereby people will become to think of say, oh, Master, say the Enyeska symbio. Let's go in, tell them what we can do, give them the message. With proper action back, where they near who for their wire. It's okay, I see a busy who near why be. And you know, going for I think we are going to have those things change. And to me, though young fans, it was first, but we are gradually moving out of it.
Okay. And
sure we will get there.
I'm saying, oh, journey live on Facebook, and I am for updates in being Koswa and my whilst you watch the videos, you listen to the sound bite, you know, from the studio of Sompa 98.9 FM. And Mamemfa unkobu no east kakra na ye ma results ni bi. So honorable Sanja Nanja ene ye parliamentary candidate ayato abama no ewo Atebubu Amanten abato mpesua so ni. Honorable Dominic Napari ena won ato abama no parliamentary candidate wo Sine East, Sine West Honorable Chumasi Ampofon. Owura Emmanuel Buam ono na betu Dr. Kwabena Donkono Pru East abato mpesua so ni. Dr. Ntekuni Kofi ewo Pru West ono na omato abama no parliamentary candidate na Honorable Joseph Mensah omo retaining no parliamentary candidate 2024 Nkranza North Kintampo North ye Honorable Joseph Kuma uko Kintampo South uka Honorable Felicia J. Yes wanya akwanya ni bio ewo Kintampo South abato mpesua so Bunu East no Honorable Doctor Honorable Lawyer Elizabeth Ofosua-Jare MP owo Techimai North Tiobodo ne mpatamu wanya akwanya bio for Techimai North Honorable Elizabeth Ofosua-Jare na Dr. Christopher Baire ewo Techimai South ti parliamentary candidate ayeyi wo mu ewo Bunu East mantam ni mu no na mebobo bi kire wo no Honorable Kwadwo Ajekum woko ono post ewo Nkranza South abato mpesua so nti we ye updates kakra mede mau from Bunu East mantam no emu ujani live on Facebook bo Sompa FM na information me watch say hohoi former Bunu regional youth organizer for NDC efo wolanyo chekpo efo na rini wo hohoi abato mpesua so congratulations efo many efo wo unfinished business bi mesra mu hia na mo nka ncha ne so omra me kai say ECS so be compile new register no me engage no nuru akai wasre me engage ni one on one or say look o ka kire me say EC etumi yes a register no a yensa no yet what na EC a register na me free efo me dey ask the gubento mbra na me nsawo efo disappeared. From then to now, many share one on one. Who say ever kasana e mobile so? It is ever be uncle shower ho any the no anu mi hu ni bi na makastrate no. Ka makastrate no ka by now one me krama happy na ayepe. Mumu bo adoma kwa. Ebra ne ko ye nwura mu kakra ne yenhwe. Emma information about the parliamentary one no. Emma woman ni no so bebre. So if you go to Adanse ya Honorable Comfort Doi Kuju and woma returning bio for Adan constituency Felicia J for Kintampo South oko Techimai North for Honorable Elizabeth Ofosua-Jare me add way